Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing mail time. I only have 3 pages, I know. I'll be whole entire thing. Okay. So, this person is really nice because they sent all these gifts. Like, who does that? Hello. Okay. So let's start opening gifts. First gift. Oh, that's so cute. Socks with sandals, because that's like normal. She's sending gifts and stuff. Oh, that's so cute. Thank you for everything, guys. This is like a match. Socks and sandals again. Sorry I'm not talking, it's just people talk during these and all that. What is this? It's okay to see your outfits. About to be done with the mail time. I know this was a short mail time. Oh, this is not an item in the item shop. You have to get this in here, in this. So yeah. So we're gonna clean up our outfits because see, I have 2 of them because she gave me one. I'm gonna say thank you. Thank you. Okay, let's see. There's no way to say it. Like that. And I got a new animation from something. So yeah. I do have a lot right here. I'm saving up all of my autographs. Okay. I'm starting the movie. Save you life. Save you life. Because that's really smart. Yeah. I will be doing the next video, and it would be giving a free account. Why do I have to be? Really? It's funny. Okay, I'm exiting out of that. I'm just saving all of the stuff I need to save just because, like, I wanna, cause I'm getting year VIP, and I wanna save up all my autographs so I can get to level 20. And I have 5,000 in this already. It's all full. And if you go on your profile and you go here, oh, she sent another gift. Thank you. And then wait, hold on. And you go on VIP, and then the next, I get this because I'm getting year VIP for use VIP for 700 days, and it gives you 1 million. And so I'm getting a fame booster so I could push my fame up. And I also have this, and I also have that. This right here. And yeah. Let's see what she. That's super cute. Oh my gosh, you didn't have to do that. Shout out to her, Q Miss Emily 11. She's super nice. Oh, she said another one. No, stop sending me kids. She's so nice. That's cute. Well, if you guys want to have a trade system, what is that? We're just gonna see what that's about. History. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. I used to do those all the time. She is super nice. Thank you. So channel. Oh gosh. My leg hurts. We're gonna see how many minutes we're at. Okay, she's gonna ask, oh, what's your channel? Because, like, to my channel. Judah Ruben. Logo. Okay, so this, well, I'm gonna see it on the channel. Well, I almost forgot this wasn't my other account. And, I'm getting it on this account, I meant. What? Huh? Let's check the start. I'm just gonna show you, I will be adding 2 videos to mine all together, I think, on my next video or something like that. I'm probably gonna have a schedule for having videos and stuff, just because, like, I don't know why, like, just because I'm gonna be starting school soon and I don't have enough time to be working on videos because I have homework and all that. So yeah. She texted me. No. And this is my pretend bro. I already said this in my last video. Once I get your gravy, I'm gonna get every single just collecting short queens. The rest of the booties. I'm just kidding. The booties are super cute. If I was to get it now, I would get this, and I will push my what's it called? Because you go on shopping and you go on diamonds, and you could grow your pet instantly, and then change your pet. I don't know what change your pet's all about, but the diamond profile. Leave this entry week and make your profile look super cool. I don't know if this is like the old-fashioned MSP, because I was playing for a long time. This is the fame booster. This is a diamond status. Your friends will see your status like this for 20 seconds. And this is the fame wheel, because I can do this for the fame with the fame booster. This is the shopping spree, and these are the tweets. I will be greeting people once I have diamonds. Stuff. And yeah, so I will be greeting people, and animations I will be getting diamond animation. So yeah, so I'll show you some of them right now. So this is swim with a fish. I don't really see it. This is red flame. I don't know why you can't see it. It's gonna say by diamond and no. Oh, it tells you right here what it's about. Like, you can see the little tag thing around it. Let me see. Okay. And so if you guys want me to give you guys a free account on MSP, just comment or like this video. And on my videos, and subscribe to the MSP squad. I'm gonna totally change that name. Okay, we're gonna see. This is my wish list right now. Boy, my wish list is super pretty. Like, these are super cute, and I love the outfits with it and stuff. I received all of this, so shout out to these people. These two. Okay, just making sure no one sent me any more gifts. And you can recycle anything that you don't want, and you get a free gift if you recycle. I know I have 2 of these, so I'm gonna recycle one of them. You can, if you're gonna recycle diamonds and stuff like that, you're not gonna get any points, 0 points. You can't recycle your pets. I don't want to try that because I love my pets. I wish that they had search bars inside of the shopping place, just because if you can't find something, you could just search it up, or like the description of it and stuff. That's what like stinks about it. These are designed. So I'm just gonna close the video for now. Thank you guys for watching. Ooh, it's pretty. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Oh, I love that outfit so much. Okay, so bye.